Hello, and welcome to Speak American English with Lyman Holton. My name is Lyman Holton. In this lesson, we will use sentences to practice saying the short E vowel sound. Again, the short E sound is eh, as in the words bet and fed. Be, e, t, et, be, et, bet. F, e, d, ed, f, ed, fed. Jed met Meg with 10 hens. A red rock fell on 4 men. I sent my wet hen into a net. Peg handed my vet a pen. Jeff and Ben left a mess on my bed. Meg begs for a red pen. Tess led my pet to his deck. Jed fell and bent his leg. Let Jess rest on his bed. My pet hen isn't well yet. Let's end with a set of pens. A red pet hen pecked Ted's neck. Tess left 10 kegs in a tent. My dress hem fell. What a mess! Ned is wet and resting in his den. Practice saying these sentences until you can pronounce each word very well. Our next lesson is the short I sound. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you at our next lesson. Goodbye for now.